In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the header on your Wix website. If you want your website header to stay visible while people scroll, Wix makes that process pretty simple. A fixed header can make your site feel more polished. And it also helps visitors keep access to your menu and important links no matter where they are on the page. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where you want to adjust the header, and give the editor a moment to fully load so all the design controls appear correctly. Once you are in the editor, click directly on the header area at the top of your page. Be sure to click the actual header section and not another element sitting inside it, like a logo, menu, or button. When the header is selected properly, you will see the available editing options for that section. Next, click the three dots for more actions. This opens additional settings for the header and gives you access to features that may not always appear in the main toolbar. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry, it may also appear in the floating menu depending on your editor layout. From there, click the header scroll settings icon. This is the setting that controls how your header behaves when someone moves down the page. In some cases, this option is directly visible, and in others, you may need to open it through more actions first. When the scroll settings appear, select Freezes. This tells Wix to keep the header fixed in place while the rest of the page scrolls underneath it. Once enabled, your header should remain visible as visitors move through your content, which is especially useful for longer pages. Now, here is one important design detail to check. If your header is transparent, it may look great at the top of the page, especially over a banner or image. But as visitors scroll, that transparent header can end up sitting on top of text or other content, making things look cluttered and harder to read. To fix that, click Change Header Design and set a solid fill color for the background. Then adjust the opacity so the header looks clean and your navigation text stays readable while users scroll. A simple solid background usually creates the best result and gives the site a more professional feel. After that, preview your page and scroll through it to make sure the header stays in place and still looks good over the rest of your content. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.